Let's see what happens. OMG, what's happening?
Oh, I'm excited to pass from this route. Gosh, where am I going?
Wow, I got this chance too. Oh no!
Hey, where are you taking me? Please, let's take another path.
Let's see how builders made this magic route. Oh my god, who is checking me up?
God, please send all the vehicles back. Where are they gone? I'm surprised. I think that magic route has taken them to another dimension. But I'm curious to know.
Thank god I'm back. Let's get past for this route as soon as possible.
I'm finally back. Thank goodness I made it. Bye forever to this route.
Thank the heavens, I returned in one piece.
Thank God we made it. We will not come back to this route again.
Damn, it was a horrible experience. I won't come here again.
Thanks for watching.
Oh, I'm not in my
Please
senses.
subscribe.